Hello everyone, my name is Gina Long and I am one of your friendly academic officers here at Teacher Created Materials. And today it is my honor to present to you one of our newest products, Learn and Create. As a veteran teacher, school administrator, district administrator, but above all, parent of 4 children, I understand how school breaks can affect our students' learning and even their retention of content. Learn and Create is an at-home resource designed to prevent learning loss and even accelerate learning during school breaks lasting 1 to 2 weeks. And it is available in English and in Spanish. Would you like to boost your students' at-home learning and even keep them on track with their reading and math skills? Learn and Create offers standards-based activities with minimal prep for caregivers and families who use it. It comes in a convenient pouch and it includes a guide, 2 books, and even game cards to motivate learning during those short school breaks. Let's begin with the books. In each level pouch, Learn and Create has 1 fiction and 1 non-fiction book. The books are high interest, colorful, and exciting for the students. The books incorporate engaging, diverse images and topics that students find interesting. Each book will be thematically aligned with the activities found in the Learning and Creating Guide, fostering their love for knowledge, creativity, and imagination. Remember that we will also offer these books in Spanish for K through 5 students. Here are some examples of the Spanish titles available. Cómo hacer bastones de caramelo, ratones de a montones, intercambio de bocadillos y sin resolver, lugares misteriosos. Now, let's take a quick look at the Learning and Creating Guide, which is the connection between the pouch's resources and home. It allows parents and caregivers to serve as the student's facilitator without being overwhelmed by confusing activities or directions. It fosters creativity with 12 full-color pages. It has an introduction, innovating literacy activities for each book, engaging math games and exercises, plus family tips and activities for reading, technology, STEM, social studies, science, social development, and even the arts. Let me break that down for you. Page 1 will start with an overview and introduction of the books. Pages 2 and 3 has student activities to support the fiction book. Pages 4 and 5 cover additional student activities, but this time for the nonfiction book. Pages 6 and 7 provide math fluency and game instructions. Pages 8 through 11 feature family engagement activities with tips on teaching children about respecting the feelings of others, devising effective solutions to problems, and even discussing ideas on how to be a good friend. And page 12 contains the answer key to some of the activities in the guide. Finally, let's explore the last component, the game cards. The game card and activities reinforce math fluency and math foundational skills, as they are designed to help students work with what? Numbers. The math cards are grade level appropriate and adjust to the student's educational needs. These game cards and activities will make practicing math skills and operations fun and exciting. Higher grade levels will have appropriate games. Let me give you some examples. In grade 1, students match pairs of monsters that add up to a certain number, Or maybe solve a simple math equation by selecting the correct response. But if we go to the 5th grade, the skills get more challenging with the adding and subtracting of fractions and decimals. In grade 7, the students will be practicing solving equations, maybe plotting graphs, and even taking a look at ratios. Well, there you have it. You have seen all of the components to learn and create, and also how easy it is to implement it at home. This at-home resource is user-friendly and engaging, which makes it easy to navigate and implement. By keeping their minds active, students can prevent learning loss and ensure that they are well prepared for their next academic challenge. If you want to learn more about Learn and Create, or even to purchase your own pack, please visit our website. Until next time.